Hello guys, today we designed this text effect in Canva, so let's start the video. First select this image and stretch it in full canvas. Now select square and cover half part of canvas. Go to text, add text box and type the text, go to font and select font Anton, increase the text size. Place it here. Duplicate, type another text. Change square color to black and duplicate this black square and place it right side. Change layer and change this square color to white. Download this slide. Upload it and delete previous one. Go to apps and type blend image. Select this one. Select this image as top layer and this as bottom layer. Choose blend mode screen. Click on add to design. And this is the final result. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. Thank you for watching.